Imagine driving down the highway late at night, headlights approaching, but they're coming straight at you. That's exactly what happened on April 1st, 2025, when a woman sped the wrong way on Ohio's U-275, reaching speeds over 80 miles per hour. What unfolded next was a tense standoff captured entirely on Bodycam footage. This is True Patrol, and you're about to witness the real, unedited moments leading up to a fatal officer-involved shooting.
Perfect. Very nice good job. Let's get this compliant. 61 over 4.
Hey, go! Drop it!
81 over 6.
Back up here now!
We're going. Keep your hands up! Keep your hands!
Look at handgun.
Keep your
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Clear shots fired, start medic.
Clear. Get clear! Shove your hands down! She has a gun in her hand! Moving! Stop moving! Stop moving! Shove your hand! Shove your hands down! Show me! She's got a gun on her! Shots fired! That's another smoke! Suspect unresponsive. I got shots fired. 7 shots in the suspect.
Watch front.
Show us your hands! Show me your hands now!
Show us your hands!
Don't fucking move! Show us your hand!
See your hands!
Hands up! 7 shots fired in the suspect. Show us your hand! I need someone. Cover me. I'm gonna move in front of me to get that fucking shot. Alright, cover me now. Show us your hand!
Watch the car, to the move.
84 check up front.
It's a drive.
52 out of 15.
Let's get that car on and get her out and get her in custody. You guys see the gun again? Let it crash.
Let it crash.
Let it crash. Let it crash. Hey, let it crash. Just get off. Get off. Oh my fuck.
You got gloves. Put good glove on.
Stop moving.
Show us your hand!
Watch that dog.
Watch that dog.
Do I need somebody on the rampage? Countdown pressure.
I got gloves. I'm getting gloves on.
I know, I'm cool.
Hey, do you see that gun anywhere?
Can't see it, dog.
Can't see her hand. I can't see her.
Hey, I'm getting shatterballs and breaking this window out.
I got gloves on right here. Hey, somebody bust this window out for me. Hey, get that other hand. Get that hand. Watch that hand. Show me your hand!
One hand over here is good. One hand over here is good. All right, unlock that shit. Hey, unlock the door and I'm gonna breach. I need you to get that door open. I can't fucking see. Yes, medic's en route. We're pulling on truck fire.
Let me pull it back. Watch it.
Here's some stuff.
Confirming medic.
Gun to the ground, son. Gun! I got the gun!
81 medics are out and they respond to the scene.
Get him in here now.
You're clear. Step it up.
Get out of the back.
Where's it at?
It's in the back.
Step it up.
Open the hatch on the bottom.
Okay.
Hey, shut that door. Shut that door. Leave it on. God. Get the first aid kit in the back. Hey, roll over. Come on. Come on.
Keep throwing target. You got gloves on you?
I got gloves right here.
Where you at? You got gloves?
Not in the back. This is my last fire right
Here.
He's got gloves right here.
Hey, I'm gonna secure the firearm. Yep. Just take this off.
Got a line? You might got a line?
Yeah,
Come here, puppy. Come here. Yeah, one's up in the corner.
What do you guys need?
We need chest pitch.
Huh? Hyping?
Sucking chest wound. Goods. Cool. You ready to switch?
You want hyping?
I'm good. Medic should be here. Hold on.
Give me gauze.
Slot.
Give me gauze.
It all began around 11 p.m. when Union Township's dispatch center received over a dozen 911 calls. Drivers were reporting a vehicle speeding northbound in the southbound lanes of I-275. The situation was dire. A head-on collision seemed imminent. An Ohio State Highway Patrol trooper took decisive action, maneuvering his cruiser to pin the SUV against a concrete barrier, bringing the dangerous chase to a halt. As officers approached the vehicle, bodycam footage reveals the suspect brandishing a firearm. Commands were shouted, tensions escalated, and within moments, shots were fired. The suspect, a woman whose identity has not been released, was pronounced dead at the scene. This incident underscores the split-second decisions law enforcement officers must make, balancing the safety of the public with their own lives. Stay with us as we delve deeper into the events of that night, analyzing the footage and the actions taken by the officers involved. After the gunfire ended, the woman was pronounced dead at the scene. Investigators from the Ohio Bureau of Criminal Investigation stepped in, launching a full review. What led her to that moment? Why pull a gun on police after a high-speed, wrong-way chase? This is True Patrol, where we show you the real stories, raw and unfiltered. Stay alert, stay aware, and we'll see you on the next one.